Hi, hope you're all ready to start December. And I am ready with lemon essential oil and the perfect companion to Christmas Cookie Day. And this is a book that is by Tara Knudsen and it's illustrated by Pauline Seivert. And it celebrates the holiday baking fun, and also the lemon essential oil adds flavor, boosts the mood, supports digestion, and makes the holiday a healthier and brighter experience. So let's start with our book here. Cookie Day, time to bake. Aprons on, lots to make. Bowl and spoon, cookie mix, 2 cracked eggs, butter sticks. Pour and add, liquids flow. Stir it up, cookie dough. Plop it down, roll and pat. Cut in shapes, thin and flat. Christmas tree, reindeer bell, snowman star, cookie smell. Angel wings, drummer boy, candy cane, cookie joy. Oven's hot, in they go. Watch them bake, rising dough. Timer dings, wait and wait, ready, set, decorate. Frosting fun, scoop and spread, candy canes, white and red, bright green trees, yellow stars. Shake, 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 sprinkle jars. Pick one out, take a seat. Finally, finally, time to eat. Soft and sweet, cookie yum. Lick your lips, one last crumb. Cookie plate, works of art, cookie love, happy heart. Cookie gifts made with care, pack them up, cookie share. Family, friends, spread some cheer. Bring them treats every year. Christmas time, spirits bright, family hugs, cookie night. Okay, one of my favorite cookies is Spritz. It's not a sugar cookie, but I love it because it actually doesn't have a lot of sugar in it, and I love to flavor it with lemon or wild orange or Madagascar vanilla. So I want to talk to you a little bit about all the benefits of lemon essential oil. And if, as you see, it has the supplemental facts on the back. That means that you can eat it or put it in something to eat. But it's also a detoxifier and great to help you clean or freshen the air. And it's actually called the oil of clarity and focus, because if your mind's all foggy or you're stuck in a mood and you take the lemon essential oil and just put a little bit there, it is so energizing and joyful and playful, and it's just a wonderful essential oil. But not only that, it has a lot of health benefits. First of all, it helps with left brain logical reasoning. It's also good for the kidney and the gallbladder. It breaks down mucus, so it's great for respiratory. It helps with digestion and detoxification. It helps to address seasonal threats. And it's also good to degrease and to clean sticky residue, but it also encourages focus, learning, and mental alertness. So it's a very playful oil. It does come from Italy, and a fun fact that is that in 1 year, a single lemon tree has a potential to produce between 500 to 600 pounds of lemon. But it takes 7 pounds of lemon to make 1 bottle of the essential oil. So that's pretty interesting. Let's see. It can also be used as wood polish and a laundry freshener for an odor eliminator to help you clean the kitchen, and a grease remover. It's great for seasonal allergies to help with that. And let's see. And also anxiousness, it helps with that. So I think I've covered most of those. And let's see, probably what I use it for, sometimes I put it down my disposal to make it fresh smelling. I also use it if I'm starting to get sick, and I take my little shot glass, my stainless steel shot glass. I put a little bit of water in there with a few other oils like oregano or frankincense or On Guard, and also lemon. And as I said, it helps with respiratory. So this is really great for children, and you would just use just one drop, and you could even put it in water to help flavor things. But one thing you need to remember is to be sure and use a drop in your cookies, because it makes it taste really great. So I have a special package that I have created for you that you can look at and see that is included with lemon. And it has the On Guard I mentioned, because you can take a drop of On Guard and put some apples in water, and then they're cinnamony and taste yummy. Also the Madagascar vanilla and wild orange. So that's a package. Watch for that. I call it the Healthy Holiday Starter Kit. So just wanted to share that with you today, and I'll post on Fabulous Over 50 and Oiled Up Education on Facebook. And if you comment, or you listen, or you do the 1-minute survey, you may win some of these products. You'll be entered to win the drawing. So hope you have a great week, and hope you enjoy making some cookies, and be sure and use your lemon essential oil. Oh, one disclaimer here is, do not wear it out in the sun. It is photosensitive, so don't put it on your skin and go out in the sun. You don't want to do that. But otherwise, it's aromatical, topical, internal, and it's amazing. So that's it for today. We'll see you next week.